Hello! The video about comparing the work of the original multi-brand Pandora 605 P23 tester and its fake Pandora 2.4. This is the original tester multi-brand Pandora 605 P23. The tested keys from different car models. We show the presence of 20 memory cells in the original tester. Operating frequencies and modes of this tester. These are the operating frequencies and modes for Pandora 2.4. We press the keycard button from Renault Megane 2010 and Renault Scenic 2015. And the keys from Citroën Jumpy 2014. And Nissan X-Trail 2012. Their signals are caught and recorded only by the original tester. We switch both testers to the operating frequency of 434 MHz. Keys from Skoda Octavia 2014. Volkswagen Golf 2014. And Ford Focus 2015. The signals are caught and recorded by the original tester. Signals of the smart key from Ford Kuga 2012. And the key from Ford Mondeo 2011 are caught and recorded by the original and Pandora 2.4 testers. Smart key from Ford Mondeo 2015. The signal is caught and recorded only by the original tester. The key from the Ford Explorer 2014, the signal from which was successfully caught and recorded by both the original and the Pandora 2.4 tester. The key signal from the Ford Transit 2014 is caught and recorded by the original tester. the key from the Subaru Forester 2011. The signal was successfully caught and recorded by the original and fake testers. Key signals from Hyundai iX35 2013, Hyundai Santa Fe 2015, Kia Sportage 2017, and Kia Optima 2016 are caught and recorded only by the original tester. Keys from Kia Rio 2017 and through one from the Honda Pilot 2014. Their signals are caught and recorded by the original and fake testers. And the key signals from Kia Ceed 2015. And Honda Accord 2012 are caught and recorded only by the original tester. Conclusion: the signals from the 21 tested keys were successfully caught and recorded by the original tester multi-brand Pandora 605 P23, while fake Pandora 2.4 caught and recorded signals from only 6 keys. Thanks to everyone for watching.